Hello Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of April. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. The lights is in my eyes and I just... Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. Did I have messages for you? I think I did. Oh, I was getting something about a restaurant in Nantucket. Okay. We're getting something about Nantucket. Is that Massachusetts? I don't know. We're getting something about Nantucket. Something about a restaurant, a meeting. Is this something about a basement in Nantucket? I don't even know where that is. That sounds kind of... Okay. Is that a Caucasian place? Is that a European place? I'm getting someone's French. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. The Hierophant, the Empress. Let's go. We have the Nine of Swords. Yeah, something about... I'm getting something about Nantucket. I'm getting something about a bed. Something about somebody who can't sleep. You're having bad dreams. You're having memory regression. This could be nightmares. This could be your worst fears is being put on blast. We're getting something about something that happened in a house. Or something about while you were in a basement. Getting something about Nantucket. Or something about a woman in bed. Was this about a murder of a woman in Nantucket? Was she stabbed to death in her bed? We're getting... Let's go. We have the Eight of Swords. No, alright, I'm getting she work from home. I was also getting something about there is a painter. There is a painter who has a picture art of somebody. I'm not sure if it's a painting or a picture art of somebody, but I'm getting the person missing. Or I'm getting a lot of beautiful women being painted. And I don't know if you like who, I don't know if you're saying who is this inspiration, who is this woman that's painted. Nobody can find who this woman is. You cannot find a woman. I'm getting somebody have a painting of a woman on them wall and you're trying to find out who is the woman. What's the inspiration? I'm getting the woman's missing. I'm getting something about a painter. Yeah, the angel, is it a Sagittarius? Or am I getting something about sculpting? Somebody who used to sculpt? I'm getting a woman. She might be an author. I'm getting she used to work in her basement. Something about her dreams. Something about a Sagittarius. You have the Ten of Swords. I'm not sure if she lived with her husband or if her husband had passed. Or am I getting your husband used to always at work and you at home alone in bed. I'm getting something about miscarriages. You had miscarriages. And your husband couldn't stay home with you. He had to go back to work. I'm getting you was always crying. So your husband didn't even want to be home because you always a cry. And him don't know how for... There's one thing if a girl angry with you and you're trying to hug her. And let me tell you something. No man can ever say them scared a girl. You see how Scrappy did have Tommy? Tommy. How Scrappy did that with Tommy? From Love and Hip Hop. How did he bought flowers for Tommy? I ain't never seen Tommy ask for no motherfucking flowers. How? Right? Him buy flowers for Tommy. Him never scared of her. And that girl was crazy. Anyways, yeah, I'm getting something about him. It's one thing if you're angry with him. It's one thing if you cry every day. It's one thing if him cheat on you and then him tell you and you accept him. And then you're gonna cry every day. And where you want him to hush you because he fuck on you and you stay. Anyways, I'm getting something about children. You lost a child. It could have been you lost your entire family. You lose your husband. But me getting sometimes you'll be crying and you never know how for. Him don't know how for like. Me getting it's not something where you're going to see a counselor. It wasn't those type of problems on a had. Or that's not what was in the head. But me getting him would have just there to work because him just didn't know how for. Me getting something about the house. Or underneath the house. Yeah, me getting something about a Gemini. Me getting something about the. Was it because of you did cheat? Did you cheat on somebody? So me getting. Me getting you cheated on somebody. Taurus. Me getting you cheat with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man while you were with a Pisces. Me getting you said the Pisces was at work, the Pisces was home, the Pisces. Me getting something about me getting something happened a long time ago. You never ever did it any like ever again. But me getting something about something that happened with you and a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. While either a Sagittarius or a Pisces was at work. But me getting when I was going through a really, really rough time in the relationship. Or it could be, you know, that the person cheated on you. We have the trumpet. Yeah, me getting something about some cheating coming up from years ago. 8 of Pentacles is a 2 of, yeah, me getting something about when your husband was at work, somebody was at work, you cheated, or me getting you thought it was the right thing to do at the time. The 10 of Cups is a 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting your husband was out, the Pisces was out providing for you, because the Pisces wanted to give it, you say you lose the baby. So him say, okay, no problem. Me go work really hard at work so that me can give you the family what you want. But me getting him couldn't I'm getting he could not see how much you were going through, what you were going through. Me getting you crying. Me getting you wasn't telling him word for word, but you were crying. And me getting him couldn't say that him only say for work. Or him don't know nothing about feelings, him only know me just have to work. And me getting him was working to give you what you say you want. But me getting at the time, you never care about the money. You were caring about how you felt. Me getting something that happened with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, me getting you say you felt burdened. And it was unfair for you. And you're not getting the appreciation. I don't know what it was, Taurus. Or if this is the Pisces. We're getting some about a liar. Wait. King of Swords is clarified by the fact. Yeah, him fuck you. Jesus Christ. Okay. So I'm getting you cheated with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius who was very, very spiteful. You have to tell your husband say you cheat on him. I'm getting the man who you cheat on him with is not even a man who nice. Him either do it for get back at the Pisces, him did it to get back at the Taurus. Because 5 of Swords, yeah, petty argument, petty, spiteful behavior. Just so me can say yes, me have that over you. Because whatever me getting you cheated with this person when the Pisces was at work, or me getting is a Sagittarius, Taurus. I don't think you were married to somebody, but I feel like you were in a long-term relationship with them and you did cheat on them. I'm not sure if this is you couldn't have kids. You're getting some cheating thing that's coming up like now. Yeah, Jupiter, yeah, something about a Sagittarius. Or me getting you one Sagittarius, Pisces, man, you don't have kids, you've been with this woman for years. You're going to find out, say, years ago she did fuck on you. That is grounds for leave her. That is Jupiter luck. Sometimes you're with a guy, you're with a girl, you try for a baby, you try, you wonder why. You forgot doctor. You know how some girl just I was in love with a married man. You know how some girl a married man and I get pregnant the same day? Your body literally is saying, mercy said no. You still have to be a hoe. That is why your body I tell you. You went to doctor, so research scientists can inject you for have an artificial AI baby. Your baby going to come out knowing how TikTok filters and know how YouTube filters are by default. You come out with an AI injectable COVID. You not take COVID vaccination, but you inject for have baby. You're going on IV, but COVID vaccination for your child. My child was born from IV. But I don't know how I feel about the vaccination. The same doctor them who inject you with a nanobot to have that AI baby. You know what, let me stop talk because YouTube might shut me down. Yeah, sometimes you're not having babies with people. And yeah, say why the girl not get pregnant? Your luck. You're not supposed to have baby with a person. Am I getting you loyal to her? You go through everything with her. Maybe you do have kids. Am I getting is not for you. We have illness. Yeah, I wonder if I'm getting you're wondering if you're the important one. We have sleep. Yeah, you've been sleeping with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Mercury. That's a Gemini. And we have the doctor. You are the same one who went to the doctor and tell the doctor that you want to freeze your eggs. They never inject. But when the baby born, you're against vaccinations. What you want a doctor do? You better hire your own doctor. You better hire your own doctor since you want general practitioners for the general. That don't include neurologists. That don't include on the people surgeon, because the doctors that you're waiting to go on the list in Canada for 5 years, them is not the one who will perform surgery on you. Those are the ones who are write prescription. That is not the ones if something happened to you, if you drop down, if the paramedic or the ambulance is called. Those are not the doctors who in the ER putting oxygen over you or strap you up or inject you. Anyways, Taurus, maybe you're doing a DNA test. But it's like you're saying, I've been with this woman so long, might as well continue. Continue? Sir, you have 100 years to live. How much you waste on this used woman who lied to you? Anyways, one more. Capricorn, the devil. Anyways, I feel like this is your time to use it against the public. I'm just saying, Jupiter rules luck. Capricorn, Mercury, Jupiter, that means if you were tricked into something, you can use it to your advantage. You can use it for pack up and leave. You can use it for sue. You can use it to get a sub-story. Not saying you want a sub-story, but Capricorn is the devil. The devil rules I use. Taurus, the Hierophant. Yeah, I'm getting you are loyal to somebody. So now you're going to use the story to expose them. The Hierophant. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.